I'd like to go to the drugstore across the road and get some lipstick, just because I'd like to look nice before you fuck me. You seem to have a phone call, Mr. Garrison.
Howdy ho, children. You have a phone call.
Oh, God. I swear to God, if I don't get a smoke soon, I'm going to die.